Howdy folks, this is Tadpole Smitty, back at Tadpole Smitty's garage. Hey, today, it's kind of chilly outside, it's kind of windy, snow on the top of the Rocky Mountains like always in the winter. Today we're going to be in the shop with my bro Tater brother Alan, and we're going to install the Patterson transmission. The Patterson transmission's here, so with nothing better to do, let's get into the shop and check out the transmission install. Let's see if bro Tater's brother Alan's home. You there? What are you doing?
I'm looking at this Catrike. Beautiful Catrike.
Let me take off that gossamer.
Looks like a good idea.
Now, if you haven't watched my previous video, you can go watch the Patterson transmission unboxing so you can see all the parts. Today, we're going to install it.
This and then we need to make sure this is all the way seated down. Oh, I need one of those rings. Okay. Just barely. That's good. So this is left hand thread and the other side is normal or right hand thread. So they are opposing each other so that you can tighten them down. Does that make sense?
Yep.
There's your bottom bracket.
One derailleur derailed.
Expertly removed.
You want that BB-18?
Need the BB-18, and we need a special tool that he uses to hold this steel.
Need this BB-18. Okay, here you go.
After it's finger tight, we'll get the special wrench included in the kit and use that to stabilize the control plate so that the torque fix feature stays hard against the bottom surface of the chainstack.
BB cup.
Do we have a tool for that?
Yes, we do. I bought one. So we got to put grease on each one of those. It comes pre-greased, but Sam said it didn't hurt to add a little more. And then up the spring and on the paw.
Right?
See? A little bit of grease always helps. A little grease always helps. Keep it from seizing up.
Okay.
Howdy folks, this is Tadpole Smitty. I'm up here in Denver, Colorado, riding the Platte River. And today, me and my Catrike Pocket are headed to EBO, Electric Bike Outfitters. I'm gonna ride on the Platte River Trail. I'm gonna go to EBO straight off the trail and watch him install my e-assist on my Catrike. The Metropolis transmission is working fabulous. Just got it installed this weekend. It's beautiful, runs great. Shift it right here. You can shift it from a dead standstill, from 1-to-1 to overdrive. Flawless. You can do it backing up, you can do it going forward, you can do it sitting still. You can go from 1-to-1 to a 60% overdrive. Doesn't care. Under load, doesn't care. It's a fabulous transmission. They need to start building this again. I've never ridden this trail before. From my understanding, by looking at Google Maps, it's a 20-mile, about 19 to 20 mile track. It follows I-25, which is right there. And it just goes along the river, back and forth, down through here. It's a nice trail. It's in the heart of downtown Denver. Patterson's working flawlessly. 28 tooth ring on the front. I'm shifting gears, you can't even hear it. Derailleur runs better on the rear because it's not jumping from side to side, it's a straight pull. Old Sam Patterson did a really good job on this transmission. It runs like butter. I'm in the hardest gear now, tallest gear. I don't have e-assist on yet, but I'm doing pretty good, slightly downhill. It's kind of blustery today here in Denver, but it is looking for a high of 50-something degrees. So I'm lucky to get here in Denver this time of year and not have tons of snow on the ground. I guess it snowed here about 10 inches last week, but it's pretty much melted off right now. This two-speed planetary is neater than crap, man. It just, you shift, it doesn't clank around, it's right in. It's solid. On a pull going up a hill, I go into 1-to-1, 28 tooth, which is real easy to pedal. And it just shifts right in immediately. No grinding, no pop, no nothing. It's just in. Now I'm gonna go to overdrive. Instant. It's amazing. Sam, you did a good job. Sam Patterson Metropolis 2-speed transmission, planetary drive, whatever you want to call it. It's both. It's a planetary drive. It's a transmission. With the assist on the back, I think this is going to be a neat rig. It's going to make me my long epic rides that we're going to be doing a little better. Milstein Park. I've never ridden here before. This is new adventure for me. Looks like the city comes in and removes the snow off the trail and maintains it pretty good. I've seen quite a few bicyclists this morning and walkers already. It's a Tuesday, the 9th, and hustle and bustle here in Denver. This transmission, I'm pulling a steep hill. And I just yank back on this stick, pull this one back, and pedal up this hill. No problem. 28 tooth 1-to-1 can go pretty good. One-to-one on a 28 tooth is about stock for the Catrike on its little ring. When I'm in the big ring on this in overdrive, it doesn't have a big ring, it's one ring. But when the Sam Patterson goes into overdrive, it's a 1.6. Which equates to a 45 tooth. Now on a stock Catrike, that's not quite. 45 tooth doesn't quite meet what the Catrike stock does. But it's close. But like I've been telling you, with the assist, it'll be fine. 20 gears will be fine on this thing. Right now I'm riding it with nothing, and I'm doing pretty good. Nice little trail. For coming out with me today, folks. Like and subscribe. Send me on to your friends. Until next time, folks, happy riding. Patterson's out of production. I think I'm in it for less than $550 for a 2-speed planetary drive. He still has them in stock. They are a limited stock basis, new old stock. And he has all the parts. So if you want one of these planetary drives at a reasonable price, you might want to get off your Komisiyama and get it done, because they are going to run out when they run.